How to install and log in Push for Better app. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to download the app Push for Better and set up, then what you're gonna do is first go to App Store, then search Push for Better. After you do that, over here in the first you can see the option Push for Better. Tap on it. Now the tutorial I'm showing you is for iPhone, but it can also be applicable for Android as well. And now in order to install it, simply tap on Get. If you enter your Apple ID, simply wait for some time until the app downloads. Click on the app. After you do that, select your country. Now if you already have an account, simply go to the email and enter your password. But if you don't have an account and need to register, tap on the option here. Then it will take you to the browser. From here you have to register. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, your birth year, gender and state. And over here you can select why are you taking part. So there are various options over here. Select any one option, then tap on this which says I accept the terms and condition and privacy policy. After you do that, go to next step, then you can successfully register it. So this is how you can install and set up Push for. Thanks for watching till the end of the video and see you in the next one.